Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm guessing you want to know how to make money online and you're not sure where to go. I've been an online entrepreneur for about 4 years now, and I've learned a few things about how to make money online and a few things of what not to do. So hopefully in this video, it's going to be extremely informational, it's going to be helpful, and just give you some insight into what you want to do and what you want to put your time into. So let's get into it. So number one, the first way that I started making money online was through a digital marketing agency. So a handful of years ago, I was at my 9-to-5 job, slaving away, working for somebody else's dream, not really happy. I was making great money, about 6 figures, but I still didn't have the time that I wanted to, have in my life. I wasn't making the type of money that I wanted to make in my life. So I decided to make a change. I was on YouTube one day and I saw an ad, and the ad was talking about how you can start a marketing agency, how you can service local clients, give them a product or service that they need. In this case, it was providing them leads, providing them new business. I bought that program, I learned what I needed to learn, and I started gathering clients. Servicing them clients, and making money. I was able to make my income increase up to about $6,000 a month, and I wasn't really working that hard. I honestly was building systems and providing that same service to many other clients that I could, get my hands on. So a social media marketing business was awesome for me because it gave me the ability to have the time back in my life, work from wherever I wanted to, and service as many clients as I wanted to. Now, today I don't have as many clients as I used to. I actually only have one client that pays me month after month a service fee for their search engine optimization that I don't even do. I pay a search engine optimization specialist to do the work for me. So I just get paid, and I pay my search engine optimization specialist month after month, and I get to keep the difference of what I charge my client and what I pay my specialist. So if you're looking actually to start a social media marketing agency, I would highly recommend you take a look at what types of products and services you can actually offer different clients and what type of clients you're actually interested in. In my case, I had a dental office client and many mortgage clients. So I was working with a dental office and real estate agents and mortgage loan officers, and I started gravitating towards the real estate end of it. Ironically, I am now working as a loan officer because the services and products that I was offering my clients at the time, they were so good that I decided to double dip and provide the same leads that I was providing them for myself and originate loans. So I get to double dip and do what I love, which is lead generation for the mortgage industry, but also I get to originate and make commission off of the loans that I close. And it's been great so far. So social media marketing agencies are some of the most lucrative businesses types that you can do online to make money, and I would highly recommend you check it out. If you want to learn more about the program that I bought when I was getting started, check out Local Marketing Vault down below. There's a free training that shows you the same training that I saw, and it shows you what exactly you would be doing if you started a marketing agency and what types of products you can offer those clients that you would be attracting and servicing yourself. So that is the first way that I make money online. The second way that I make money online is through affiliate marketing. So when I bought that program that taught me how to actually create a marketing agency, that program also had an affiliate program. And an affiliate program is essentially a program that allows you, the purchaser of that product or service, to promote that same product and service. And if someone was to buy that product or service using your affiliate link, that product or service or that company would give you a commission because you are attracting new clients and customers that they otherwise wouldn't have had if it wasn't for you. So affiliate marketing is awesome because you don't have to create anything. You just have to use what you like to use and promote it. If somebody buys it, you are going to get a commission. So you never ever have to actually produce or create anything of your own. You just have to talk about why you like it, and if somebody actually decides to buy, you get a commission. So the program that I bought is not the only affiliate type of program that you can leverage. There's many, I would say thousands of programs that you can use out there to help you get commission. So some of the ones that are on the top of my head are places like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy. You can go onto JVZoo or ClickBank and see the different types of programs and services that people are offering for affiliates to leverage and promote as well. So affiliate marketing is the second way that I make money online. I've been able to make around $9,000 to $12,000 just leveraging the programs and services that I use on a daily basis. So the third and fourth way that I've been able to make money online is through my online course and coaching. When I was building my online marketing agency, I was learning a lot, and I was sharing my experiences and what I was learning on different platforms like Facebook groups, my Facebook profile, on YouTube, any place and anywhere that I can get my message out to not only share my knowledge, but also share my affiliate link as well, because hey, I was making money by selling a program or offering a program to people that would help them at the end of the day get the same types of results that I did if they just worked hard enough. But not everybody had that type of money that I had when I initially bought that program. So I said, hey, I might as well create my own program, package it up, leverage the things that I'm most interested in and I think that people could use. And I put my own spin on it and I sold a program. I sold a program that was focused on mortgage and real estate because that's where a majority of my clients were at the time. So I put my knowledge into an online course and I sold it. I marketed it on Facebook, I marketed it on places like Google and YouTube. And if somebody was interested in doing the same thing that I was doing in my marketing agency, they could buy that course that I created and learn exactly what I did and what my processes were, how my sales pitch was, and leverage the same tools that I was leveraging to get clients. So an online course is awesome if you want to just package your information and knowledge just one time and promote it on various platforms. I would highly recommend if you decide to create an online course, make sure that you're actually doing what you're teaching and be somebody that is a walking, breathing, living testimony of the stuff that you're talking about. Same thing goes with coaching. I was getting phone calls and texts and DMs and messages from people that I didn't know across the United States asking me how I did it. What do I do when I talk to mortgage loan officers or real estate agents, or what was my pitch deck looking like? And at one point, some guy called me and he said, hey, can I just pay you for an hour of your time? Can you just tell me what to do? And you know what? I was like, sure, why not? It's an hour of my time. It's the most I've ever made in an hour. But he paid me about $1,000 to give him my knowledge and access to my course that I created at the time. And he was super grateful for it because, I had spent $6,000 on learning this stuff. And within an hour, I can just shortcut his learning curve and give him exactly what he needed. And it was great for both of us because we both got what we wanted. I got some income, he got the knowledge, and we were, off on our separate ways afterwards. So online courses and coaching are two awesome ways to make money online that I think anybody can do as long as they have an expertise in exactly what they're training and teaching. So the fifth and final way that I've been able to make money online is through cryptocurrency. Now I know there's a lot of speculation around the whole industry as a whole. It's a brand new industry, honestly. It's something that I think you should be very careful with if you're planning on investing, and definitely don't invest more than you're willing to lose. But in my case, I've been invested into cryptocurrency for a handful of years and I've seen the ups and the downs, and I've made some money and I've lost some money. But all in all, I've been able to buy and hold and watch my investments increase over time. I've been able to buy and trade and play the market and buy at the lows and sell at the highs and make my profits. I've also been able to trade using leverage. Things like ByBit will allow you to invest on margin, where you can margin trade, and every percent that Bitcoin or any crypto for that matter that goes up percentage-wise, you can margin trade and say, hey, if my Bitcoin that I'm investing into on this margin goes up by 1%, I'm gonna put a 5% margin on that. And I think Bitcoin is gonna go up exponentially. So if Bitcoin does go up 10%, you're gonna make 50% on that move because you are using 5% leverage. So 10% move in Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever crypto you're using, and you use 5% leverage, that's 50% right there. But the problem was with that, it also goes down. So you can make a lot of money leveraging Bitcoin, Ethereum trades like that, but you can also lose a lot of money, which I have. But at the end of the day, investing into cryptocurrency was a great opportunity for me because not only did I get to see my savings that I invested initially grow exponentially, I was able to pay off all my debt and put some money in the bank and still have money left over in cryptocurrency. So I'd highly recommend, if you're interested in crypto and making money with it, figure out what you're gonna do. Make sure you're gonna do the thing that makes the most sense for you and your situation. In my case, I invested, I traded, I leveraged, and the last thing that I started doing was loaning my crypto out. So there's great opportunities on platforms like BlockFi that allow people to borrow money using their cryptocurrency as their collateral. So for people like me who invest into BlockFi and just simply want to hold my cryptocurrency on that platform, because I do so, BlockFi is going to pay me a percentage APY every year based in that cryptocurrency, because they're offering their other clients the ability to get loans from the collateral that they have. Using that collateral that now BlockFi holds, they're able to pay people like me who simply just want to hold my cryptocurrency and earn that APY every single year. So I get paid out every single month, and I get to ride my cryptocurrency on the way up or on the way down and get the interest rate that they're offering at the time. So investing into cryptocurrency, again, is highly speculative. It's certainly something new that I think everybody should do the research on before they put any money at all into it. But if you've been watching cryptocurrency like I have over the past 5 to 10 years, you know, investing anything 5 years ago into it, you're doing pretty well at this point. So if you're just looking to buy and hold, I would recommend do exactly that. Don't even look at the price, don't look at the headlines, just figure out what cryptocurrencies you believe in, invest and hold for the long term. If you're wanting to actually trade with, spot trading on different exchanges or leverage trading on places like ByBit, definitely learn how to do it first before you start getting your hands dirty. And if you already have crypto and you want to make more money on it, just use something like BlockFi. You're already holding it in a wallet. Coinbase doesn't pay you a whole lot. Places like BlockFi are going to pay you way more just to simply use their service. So I really appreciate you guys taking a listen at the ways that I've been able to make money over the past handful of years online. If you found some value in this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Please post a comment down below. Let me know what you're planning on leveraging for your online journey. Subscribe if you want to hear more content like this, and I definitely can't wait to see you on the next one. Love you guys. Talk to you later.